Greetings everyone and welcome to this video on logistic regression. Logistic regression, like linear regression, can be used to predict whether or not and to what extent independent variables influence dependent variables. Logistic regression is used when the outcome is dichotomous, that is, there are only two outcomes. The dependent variable hence is obviously a categorical or a qualitative variable. In this example, we have a data set of the list of passengers on the Titanic, and we want to find out whether and to what extent the class in which passengers traveled, that is first, second or third class, affected the survival outcome. A survival value of 0 means that they did not make it, and a value of 1 indicates that they survived. To do a logistic regression analysis, we need to go into this regression option, select on logistic regression. We know that the dependent variable is whether or not passengers survived, which is a dichotomous variable. So we are good to go. And we can select passenger class and put it into the factors option. Now we have our logistic regression analysis done right here. Going one step further, we will go into the statistics option and select on odds ratios, as well as the confusion matrix and sensitivity and specificity, just to get a better understanding of our regression model. We will also go into plots and select the checkbox on the conditional estimates plot. We can also plot a receiver operating characteristic plot, but we will just stick to the conditional estimates plot for now. Now the odds ratio option which we have selected will help us to get a better understanding of how the survival outcome among the three classes differed. The Nagelkar R-square value will tell us the variance, and the estimates plot will show us the probability of survival with 95% confidence intervals. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.